In this video, guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can promote your YouTube videos on Twitter just in few minutes. Okay, so this will be quick tutorial for you guys, for small YouTubers who want to get more views, more subscribers, and grow your YouTube channel fast. This method is for you, and let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do first is you need to open an account on Twitter. Okay, so it's really easy and simple. Just go to Google and search for Twitter like this. Okay, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go to your YouTube channel and choose which video you want to promote on Twitter. Okay, it's for free, of course. So for me, for example, I want to promote this YouTube video. Click over here on share, copy the link of your video like this, go back to your account on Twitter like this, and you should see over here post. Okay, click over here on post. So what you need to do is you need to upload. Click over here on media. Okay, you should see media, click on media, upload your YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so people can see your YouTube thumbnail. So this is my YouTube thumbnail, for example. Open like this. What you need to do next is you need to put your YouTube video link here. Okay, like this. And what you need to do next, make sure to go back to your YouTube video and use your YouTube title. Okay, so this will help people find this video, and they will know this video is about which topic you are talking about. I'm gonna paste this title here. As you can see, what you need to do next, click over here on everyone can replay and make sure to choose everyone. Okay, select this option, everyone. Okay, if you find it on account you follow, verified accounts, make sure to make it to everyone, public. Okay, and what you need to do next, click over here on post. Okay, like this, and here you go, your YouTube video will be published on Twitter. It's really easy and simple. This is my YouTube title, this is my YouTube video link. As you can see, this is my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so people who are interested in this topic, if they find my video like this in home page on Twitter, they will click over here in my YouTube. If they click on my YouTube video link, they will be directly in my YouTube video link on YouTube, as you can see over here.
كرون جاكم بحجم عمل جديد باش نزيدوا أطباقكم بالنا كرون المعروف بالتاج.
So that's how you can promote YouTube videos for free on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment and like this video. See you in my next videos.